Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. And today's topic is really interesting. I was just about going to the temple, okay? I go to Siddhivinayak every Tuesday, and if I'm here in Bangalore, there's another Ganpati temple where I go. So, I was just about to get ready and go, and I thought, why don't I make a video where I show you how to, do a simple makeup for temple when you visit some temple. And this is going to be really simple, you all know. And so I just thought, I'll come and record this and show you guys this. So let's start. So I've already prepped my face, my skin, I've moisturized it, and now we'll start with the foundation. As I told you, this makeup is going to be really simple. So just a daily wear foundation. The one that I use is from Bobbi Brown. So this is the one that I use. It's their Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. It has SPF 15, so really good for daytime. So I'm just going to use this now, really quick. So just apply it all over your face. So I'm done with applying my eyeshadow, and after this what we're going to do is just apply some kajal, very little kajal. So I'm going to show it to you now. So the kajal that I'll be using today is by Bellora Paris, and it's a really nice kajal. I really like this brand, Bellora. So I'm just going to take this kajal, just apply it on my waterline, that's all, just here. Done. This side. Only waterline, okay? So that's it. So done with applying kajal. You can see instantly कैसे आपका look change हो जाता है ना once you apply kajal, just with kajal. Wow, I love applying kajal. Now I'm gonna use my favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, and I'll just apply it. I think 2 to 3 coats is good enough. So that's what we're gonna do now. So I've applied it here on top, thinking if I should apply it niche also. Okay, should I just stop it? ये भी अच्छा लग रहा है, a little different. थोड़ा लगा लेते हैं चलो. So very little on my lower lash. That's it. Moving on to my brows now. So before I started my makeup, मैंने थोड़े से brows किए हुए थे, okay, a little bit, because I don't go out my house also without doing my brows. So you can see थोड़ा color है. I'm just gonna like fix this properly. Oops, I forgot to tell you what am I using for my brows. So this is the ELF brow pencil. So this is the Instant Lift Brow Pencil by ELF. So that's what I'm using. The shade is, it's brown, like light brown. Okay, so I'll start applying something which is too dark because of my hair color. So I like using something light on my eyebrows, like 2 shades lighter easily. That's it. Just gonna brush it properly. Now time to apply my lipstick, and the lipstick I'll be using today is by Bellora Paris. So I told you Bellora, I like this brand, and then सारे natural ingredients होते हैं इसमें, so that's why I like this. The shade is called Peachy Poland. It's 001 Peachy Poland. Nice pink shade. Let's apply it. Love it. Do you guys like the shade? So now makeup is done. थोड़ा सा देसी टच दे देते हैं. Let's apply some bindi. अच्छे से earrings पहनते हैं, झुमके or something. And I think I'm gonna tie my hair into a choti. Or do you think ऐसे कुछ करके look good? This looks good, right? So let's do that now. पहले मैं अपनी बिंदी लगा लेती हूँ. Because everything is so pink, I'm gonna put this orange वाली बिंदी, which will look good, I think. देखो. What do you think? अच्छा लग रहा है? Yeah, I think this is nice. So here I'm just going to twist it like this and pin it off. So taking my hair clip, clip it like that, and I'll just wear my earrings and be right back. So I just wore my jhumkis, and I'm a South Indian. I love these jhumkas. So this is my temple look. I'm ready. I wore this really cute salwar suit, and this is my makeup. It's really simple and nice. I hope you guys liked it. So chalo, ab main jaati hu mandir, and I'll pray for everybody, for all my fans, and please keep loving me like that. And don't forget to like this video, and keep sharing, keep subscribing if you haven't already, and just have a more love. Okay, I'll pray for all of you all, and I love you guys so much. See you later. Bye.